हेलो फ्रेंड्स, उस टाइम वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं साहिल और आप देख रहे हैं क्रिप्टो सैव यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम बात करने वाले वीडियो में एक्स टोकन के बारे में। तो एक्स टोकन के बारे में बात करने से पहले एक और बात बताना चाहूँगा आप लोगों को कि इस वीडियो में हो रहा है $50 का गिव है। तो गिव में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए आपको करना कुछ नहीं है, बस वीडियो को लाइक करना है, चैनल पे एक अच्छा सा कमेंट करना है जिसमें आपका BSC एड्रेस भी होना चाहिए, जहाँ पर मैं $50 का BNB टोकन आप पे भेज पाऊँ। एंड एक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना है अच्छे से। एंड ट्विटर पे फॉलो करेंगे तो उधर भी होते रहता है गिव है, तो आप लोग वहाँ पर भी देख लीजिएगा। सो एक्स टोकन के बारे में बात करते हैं। तो एम्पायर पीपल, एक्स टोकन इज द फर्स्ट टोकन दैट विल empower crypto traders, investor and monitors who will have no access to the computer. Building decentralized application and donating usage fees to will help the cryptonics and the monitors alike. टोकन एड्रेस जो है ये है, आप बैंकिंग सब पे बाय कर सकते हैं। रोड मैप एंड वाइट पेपर ये रहा। सो ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम चार्ट ओवर हेयर, TikTok contents, and if you are an influencer you can apply from here. You can mail them if you want to do partnership with them. So basic things, this was the basic things. So यहाँ पर ट्विटर, डिस्कॉर्ड, टेलीग्राम, BSC स्कैन, रेडिट एक ये पैनकेक स्वैप, रेडिट एंड पुकॉन चैट का लिंक मिल जाएगा आपको। So 100% community driven token है। We will give every holders access to the vote on the next steps will be this will also be our first D app, so a pool that is only accessible for holders of a specific token. So there are token mechanics over there. Each trade has 10% tax, whereas 5% get distributed to holders, 5% gets locked into liquidity to create a solid price floor, and the rest will be added to the wallet and we use to empower monitoring across the globe. So 5% distributed to holder, 5% auto lock liquidity provider के लिए, and 2.5% goes to the charities, no tax. Empowering people, decentralized currency is not created to give people more freedom and more control over their assets, but at the same time it's locking out a lot of monitors who can even afford a computer nor internet access. All of the fees earned by our dApps, a decentralized application, will be used to empower minorities and educated them to be left to our digital world. So here is the white paper, community driven real holders and asserting minorities. So यहाँ पर बात किया गया है मिशन ऑफ एक्स टोकन। Decentralized currency got created to people more freedom and more control over their asset, but at the same time it's locking of the minorities who can't afford to a computer not internet. All of the fees earned by our dApps will be used and empower monitors with education, technical knowledge and hardware they need. With over 2000 new tokens created every day, our dApps will empower those grow faster and more sustainable by providing useful tools such as trade bots, telegram bots, bot pools and token holders and many more. Therefore, X token will be one of the new token with a real usage. X token will dApp will be paid using X token. What is X token? So X token is a functionality yield generating contract where is token. So bot will soon be able to spend on the dApps protocol was launched on May 6, 2021 through the DXL pre-app. The token contract employs a static reward system. 10% of every transaction is split into two parts. One part is distributed to holders, and while the other 50% or 5% of used to fuel liquidity pool and pancakes of decentralized exchange. The tokens are permanently locked in the liquidity burden, effectively reducing the available supply. The token was launched with the idea of creating the community token with a self-generating income mechanism for its owner. The statistic system of concept that was pioneered by Reflect Finance and popularized by SafeMoon. It is a great alternative of the usual high API liquidity firms. The token information, token on Binance Smart Chain Web20 token, trigger X underscore token, contract addition decimals 9, total supply was like 1 trillion. So burned address like 23.35 at the time of writing, burned 233 billion. Automatic liquidity pool, security of X token. So X token is designed by Secure Monetary. Above the token distribution will be healthiest tokens of ones currently available, with no whales controlling outlandish amounts of circulating supply. In the additional X token smart contract, they are implemented to two security features aimed to making the fully autonomous and immunity malicious manipulation. For fundamental blockchain based schemes running on BSC are ripe, and we take steps to ensure that X token as far from that space as possible. Locked pancakes have liquidity. The liquidity tokens for X token are permanently locked for in DXL locker, and we will renew these lockers based on the vote of our community. So pancake liquidity for the top 100 token holders. So these are the addresses of top holders. Locked DAP token, and some screenshot of the token holders that X token locked. So roadmap over here, and current task DXTN launch done, listing on Pancakes have done, planning our fast community pool DApp in progress, and getting listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko planned, just 20% done and 80% left, means they are not trying to get listed. So how to buy? There are some team. Our team contains 5 dedicated people who work in crypto science early stages. We have invested and traded and lost some time, and also gained some percentage until we stumped about Binance Smart Chain, and then decided to start our own crypto project to dive deeper into tokenomics code and market itself. X token was born. So check out the white paper and roadmap. I also read that in the website. So here's their chart over here. They launch on some pennies, they rise up from here to here, and white paper and roadmap. You can check the white paper and roadmap here. Tasks to do, doing and done. They are done some finalized white paper, Telegram announcement, acquire Reddit influencer, finalize roadmap, and they are doing some stuff and doing this stuff also, and to do trust wallet icon information, stock lead handle, audit TikTok, acquire TikTok influencers. So they are doing this stuffs. You can also buy from this Pancake shop. You can get in 1 BNB equal to this much amount of token you get. So basically this project is going to boom in the future, because they are telling. So that's all for this project. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for next updates.